Okay, but find the move.
You know what? If Gukesh finds E4, every one of you, unlimited food and drinks from me today. Every one of you. Can we keep the party popper ready, please? We need E4, man.
Oh my god, bhai, Samay bhai is like on fire. E4. Bhai, it's not a winning move, huh?
It's not
But
a
it's a
winning
great
move.
move.
It's a great move.
It's
It's
one
great.
of the.
Seizes
It gives
the
you a lot of
opportunity.
advantage.
Right.
But I want to also check in with Sagar's line of pawn takes pawn.
I was just checking the menu, Tanya.
Oh, sorry.
Man.
Let's do it. Priorities, you know.
No, let's go. Yeah. What was? So
No,
E4?
this is really interesting. And again, I've switched off the engine now. We've seen the problem with what happens if you play the move knight e6, right? But Sagar, you had also suggested pawn takes pawn.
Yeah.
And how is this different is what I'm trying to work out.
You know what? This tournament, like, you know, we all have been commentating on Gukesh's games, and he has been so accurate before, but in this, like in the first game, he made many mistakes.
Yeah.
So I'm no longer that certain that he will play E4.
I am.
तुम्हारा पापा काम करेगा कि नहीं? This,
भाई मेरे मुंह पे ऐसे नहीं रहेगा ना.
तुम पीछे हो जाओ थोड़ा.
You know,
Because E4
I am
आने
worried
वाला
कि रुक C1 ना आ जाए.
हाँ?
But,
Oh.
no, but Rook C1, Bishop F5 is very safe for
Sorry.
black,
And
right?
then E4 he can play, no?
But then your bishop
his
hides.
bishop is out.
Also, I want to point out, because the rook is on h5, additional ideas of bishop h3 become possible. The rook is defended. I don't think he'll allow bishop f5.
We have 55,000 people watching this,
Let's
guys.
go.
Do
Wow.
like the stream. We're all hoping for an E4,
Why,
which
where's
is-
my emote?
which makes the game very complicated actually
Yeah.
for black.
And also then Ding's time will come into play.
Exactly.
Which he has only 27 minutes. But Gukesh, I don't know. Can we focus on Gukesh's face and see like, wow, he's like totally focused there. I think Gukesh senses it. You know, somehow Rook H5 might not be a move he had seen, and now he feels like, what if E4? E4 is the most natural move, right?
It
For
is.
any top player. The only reason he may not play E4 is for like 5-6 moves down the line, he feels ki it's not happening.
GM Harshit Raja coming in. What is the probability of E4 here?
I think he has to go for E4, Samay bhai.
Let's go.
But what's the probability that he will go for E4?
I think like 85%.
Oh.
And do you think E4 will really give him a lot of advantage in this game? Considering
I
the time
think that-
situation and everything.
Definitely. I mean, I'm watching the game. It's 4:30 a.m. because I'm really thinking that before the game goes into the rest day, that Gukesh ties it, because that would give him a big psychological boost.
Yeah.
All right. So what is the other move that you're saying? What is the 15%?
15% is that he'll just try to save you money so that you don't have to buy everyone food.
अरे हर्षित भाई ब्रॉडकास्ट देख रहे हो क्या बात है?
No, bhai. Samay bhai, he'll go for it.
भाई आपका भी DoorDash स्पॉन्सर करता हूँ मैं अगर खेला E4 तो भाई
क्या करोगे स्पॉन्सर?
इनका खाना खाएंगे ना
भाई
DoorDash से।
बुला लो ना, फ्लाइट
अरे
टिकट
भाई
कर
आ
दो.
जाओ ना यार हर्षित भाई व्हाई यू नॉट कमिंग यार
अरे समय भाई मेरा ग्रेजुएशन है.
अरे ठीक है यार देख रहे हो पढ़ाई कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है ग्रैंड मास्टर खुद पढ़ रहा है यहाँ पे बैठी जनता वेडनेसडे को समोसा खा रही जनता but all right
No,
thank
I
you so
think
much
he'll go for E4. He'll go for E4. Yeah.
all right thank you so much bye have a good night all right E4
4:30 a.m. in the US. Harshit Raja following our stream, hoping that Samay loses some money
मतलब
today.
फिर वो clearly पढ़ाई तो नहीं कर रहा है अभी हर्षित.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
देख रहा
Graduation,
है.
it's just graduation ceremony.
Oh.
He doesn't have to give exams.
No, that's fine. Then he should be watching.
come on Gukesh 1 hour 12 minutes keep the time advantage find the movie 4 and keep the game complicated Ding will blunder in time pressure
Yeah. Once E4 happens, Ding will be under tremendous pressure. But look at this scene, no? Both players logged in. Like, दोनों एकदम ऐसे बैठे हैं. They
and look at it Ding shakes his head Ding sees it look at him look at him
अरे भाई. Oh.
Sagar, he has been doing this for a while.
Let's go! Oh my God, मैं तो खा खा रहा हूँ भाई, free food, let's get it. खाओ भाई जो खाना है भाई. मैं कुछ खा के आया भाई.
भाई खा के आओ. Right now, Gukesh has just pushed his pawn to e4.
Wow. It's game on.